Bye-bye. I'm going.
What happened?
What happened? I'm going to kunin ko lang yung And then I have to pay attention and he's kissing my ass. And he's like, ano yan?
Ano kaya kung pinapagdating ko dito?
Ang daming bunga. Ang daming bunga, oh.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi, guys. Hello. Teka muna, guys, ah. Good morning, everything. Oh my God, ang araw. Oh my goodness. Anyway, good morning mga ka-everything. Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. Bisa kahit anong gawin ko yung araw talaga is sumisilaw talaga sa mga natin, mata-mata. So anyway, sobrang aga. Na-late na nga ako, guys. It's 7:43. Dapat umalis ko doon sa bahay 7 o'clock. I have to pick up Brenda and then we're going to Lloydie. Kasi guys, today is Lloydie kahapon. Well, actually, mamaya na natin pag-usapan, pero yun, maghakot kami ng gamit nila Lloydie at Mark. Na-late na nga ako kasi guys, alam nyo nangyari, guys. Hey, sumakit push on ko. Sabi ko, anyari, doon ako sa bathroom. Ang tagal ko sa bathroom. Sabi ko, magdala ako ng alips. Dala ako extra napkin just in case. Sumuot ako ng napkin. Early in the morning, yes. TMI, too much information. But yeah, if you've been watching here sa vlog natin, you know that I'm always too much information. Yan. So, ako guys, masaya lang ako for Lloydie and Mark sa mag-asawang yon. Kasi finally, nakabili na sila ng behe. Finally, mag-move out na sila. Si Tami, doon siya. Kasi pagod pa yun, guys. So yun, pagod pa siya. So, after dito, after sa paghakot, paglagay ng mga gamit sa U-Haul, yung gamit nila, punta na kami kung saan kami pupunta. Kukunin ko si Tami dito para isama ko na si Tami doon. Bakit walang music? Ay, nako. No ha guys, andito na kami guys. Pinick up ko lang si Brenda.
Good morning.
And yun, nandun na si Lloydie sa labas nila. Nag-ano na sila. May U-Haul. Hindi pala malaki yung U-Haul nila. Yung truck. Malamig. Malamig pala. Yun. Parang ang napkin ko ba kay klarong-klaro, ayusin ko. Oh, wala pa, hindi pa talaga sila nakaayos. Hindi pa talaga sila nakalagay ng gamit pala. Naku, wala pa talaga.
Makatulong tayo
So tayo na lang. I think tayo lang. Okay lang, kayanin natin. Meron naman silang bathroom para maayos ko tong napkin ko. Kala ko may laman na. Pero maginaw, no?
Malamig. Tignan mo nga.
Maginaw pala.
Nakaano ako kanina. Nag-sweater ako. Kaso sabi ko, baka mamaya pag napagod kami, mainit.
Kaya ito, sabi ko, tinitignan ko naman yung temperature kung mainit o hindi.
Baka mamaya pag siya napagod kami.
Maginaw pala, oy. Maginaw-ginaw pala. Hindi ka giniginaw?
Excited yan. Siyempre.
As in, congrats. Ihag ko na siya. Ihag ko na. Excitement? Congrats, be.
Congratulations. Wala masyadong pumunta yun.
Bye, be. Bye-bye. I'm going.
What happened?
What happened? I'm going to kunin ko lang yung trap to hold the bed. Okay, mag-bed. Wag ganun-ganun yan, ha? Okay. Okay? Iiwan ko muna. Ha? Hindi man ikaw makita.
Return Mark Arthur.
Okay. Bye. Hello. Dito na ako sa bahay. Finally, tapos na si Tami naligo. Nagbibihis na lang siya. And ngayon, hanap tayo ng strap. Strap. I don't know which one, guys. Basta kay hikot. Hikot daw. Andito daw yun, sabi ni Tami. Marami daw kami dito. I know marami kami. Pero I think andun yan sa sasakyan niya. Strap. I know andun yan sa sasakyan niya. What do they need? May blanket naman sila doon eh. So, hintayin ko lang si Tami. I know, andun yan sa ano niya. Sa... Ito kasi yung mga blanket, pang ano. So, yun. Wala akong makita. Yun guys, sasama na si Tami sa akin. Yan so. Can you charge my phone? Okay. And why you have to wear a thing?
What?
A hat?
I'm not necessarily wearing a hat. I carry it just in case.
Oh. Pasensya na guys kasi open na open dito. He's so sexy.
Yeah.
I love that hairy thing. Wait, I was nervous driving back. You have an AC, huh?
Why are you nervous driving back?
Because the cops is behind me all the way. From 9W to turn here from the gasoline station, I said, and then I have to pay attention, and he's kissing my ass, and it's like, I 40, right? I don't even go to 45 because just in case. But I said I don't give a frick. You be in behind me.
You gotta watch.
Look, puno na.
Malapit
Marami pa dito, oh. Marami pa.
nang malagay lahat sa...
Diyan, dito ka lang, Bi, ha?
And I think,
Bi, dito ka lang, ha?
ayoko.
Punta ako sa taas. Mabigat ito, no? Hala, ang bigat pala nito. Tinawagan ako ni Lloydie. Sabi pa niya, vlog. So, ipinagbablog na tayo dito. So, ito lang. Ito yung apartment nila, guys. Ano yan?
Alam mo, pinakagdating ko dito. Nasa kama ko to. Alam mo yan yung...
Ay, may...
pumunta kami.
Okay, guys. Ito yung apartment nila. Look, ito yung bulaklak ni ano. Okay lang sa'yo, Bi, ha? Look, dumadami. Look, si Brenda.
Oo, ito yung gawain ko.
Be, pero matutulog ka pa dito, Be?
Oo.
How you can sleep over here?
Magdadala ako ng ano kasi may pasok pa ako eh.
Do you want airbed?
Meron din ako.
Oh, mayroon akong airbed.
Single airbed. Oh, ito. May single airbed. Single airbed ako.
Yung bedroom nila. May CR dito, Be?
Wala din. You
Ah.
want? Mamaya padala ko kay Ann pagka...
Hey, plus I still have to put something in my garbage.
Okay?
Sa sasakyan ko.
Pero hindi siya as in big, ay yung ano ba, yung parang hindi ba airbed, hindi naman siya gano'n. Okay lang. So, pwede mo siya may vlog, wala nang ano eh.
Okay na, regular vlog lang dito.
Tapos mamaya papicture tayo sa likod ng logo.
Oo. Ano to?
Bakit mo ba? Baka
Be,
nito.
pwede na ito dalhin.
Ano yun, Ben?
Ito.
Wait lang. Lalagay ko na ito ba na iba?
Ah, mula pang lagi.
Tapos, ito mga baby ko yun eh. Ito parang uniform. Kasi ito uniform to ni Mark.
Dito.
Sasakyan na lang siguro to.
Sa sasakyan mo. Pwede sa sasakyan ko. Mag-ano tayo?
Susuotin mo ni Mark eh. Ano ibig sabihin ng bigwa?
Kigwa, like something in your butt that is more tiny warm.
Ano no?
The one that makes your butt itch. That you have to get rid of it.
Oo.
Yan.
Kasi sa kahapon, yung tumatawag ako basic na to ay basic bigwa. Ano bigwa?
Kigwa, the tiny worm in your butt that makes you itch. You guys experience that?
Akala ko ang bigwa parang, ewan ko sa'yo.
Hindi. Kigwa is a worm. It's just an expression of my expression lang yun, ay.
Akala ko sabi, ano yun?
In English ko na nga, ay, kasi para madali. Ay, basta uod ba? Uod.
Okay. Pero hindi naman masama, no? Parang pwede yung pang-expression, di ba?
Oo, sa walang makaintindi.
Literal ka sa ganun.
Bye-bye, Beth. Okay, so, ito guys, moving na si Lloydie. May bahay na sila. Yay! Speaker yan, Be?
Yep. Sa base doon ni Mark. Actually, ang dami yung base. Kaso nga lang, binenta niya na kasi mas...
Sayang, maganda kasi yung ano ganyan, oh. Maganda yung tunog.
Mas maganda yung binenta lang yung dalawang.
Bakit?
Kasi sabi niya sa mas importante na raw sa base.
Okay. Nandito na sila.
Exit the highway at exit 119. In 1,000 feet, at end of the road, turn left, onto RT 302, turn left.
3.1? 3.10.3.1?
Yeah, almost 315. Well, it's 315 my house. It's still 307 in Valero. The other one's at 315.
Guys, andito na kami sa bahay ni Lily. Sa labas lang kami. So, but andito na kami. Naghintay lang kami. Andito sa harapan namin yung brother ng
So it's
asawa
not a
niya.
brick house. It's only brick facing out
Bricks
front.
facing.
That's artificial brick, I guess.
Look, honey, look. This is our thing now here.
What?
I thought it's gonna be but almost 1,000. Is that okay, right? Add
Yeah, well,
additional
house.
from the other one,
Right.
right?
Right now, we could definitely use it. So yeah, they're gonna have to do all these fucking fence posts.
Yeah.
Hopefully, the ground isn't all rock like by us.
Oh my God, that's gonna be a pain in the neck. They have to cut these bushes. Oh, that one, no, it's like they have to cut it.
Yeah.
Cleaning up this yard. Yeah.
Well, Mark may hire somebody initially to do it.
What is that, honey? Why there is something hanging? Is that a fruit?
I mean, those peanut pods here.
What is that? Is
I
that
don't
that?
know what they are.
You have? Okay. Tingin-tingin lang daw siya, guys. Yun yung bahay doon. Hindi niyo makita, pero yun. Then palibot-libot lang daw siya doon. Kasi ako hindi pa kami bawal kasi mag-parking, guys. Oh, bawal daw mag-parking, ganun. But anyway, guys, we will see you guys later kasi ang mag-ano lang kami. So, tulungan na lang din namin sila pag-unload ng mga gamit sa U-Haul truck. And then yun, pagkatapos niyan, I think uwi na din kami pagkatapos kasi kailangan din naming umuwi. Actually, it's maaga pa naman, it's 1:50. Oh, andito na sila, look. Andito na sila, sa likuran, look. Dito na sila. Si Lloydie. Look. Okay. Mag-backing yan. Dito kami ngayon, guys. Nag-ano kami ng pizza para pagkain-kain. Si Lloyd, bumili pa talaga ng tubig. Kailangan natin ng bag. Malaki naman pala, dalawa. Huwag na, malaki. Ano lang tayo doon? Ilang tayo?
May mag-asawa, dalawa lang kami, apat, 5, 6.
Ito, malaki. Ganyan talaga gumawa ng ano. Diba?
Italiano din.
Parang. So kaya kung saan kami nakikita ng pizzeria, doon kami napunta. Bahala na, hindi alam kung ano yung okay ba or hindi. Basta kayo makakain. Di ba, be?
Ito lang pinakamabilis dito.
Malapit lang kasi. Guys, pauwi na kami. What is that, BBC?
You have a French train.
What is that?
That pipes you put on the ground, they got holes in them,
Yeah.
and then you cover the pipes with stone, like small stones.
Hello guys! Bahay na po tayo guys! So ngayon, i-harvest natin yung pepper. Kasi may hinog na doon, nakalimutan kong i-harvest. Labas ko na yun at kailangan ko na itong i-transfer sa mga malaking atolok. Oh, maliit pa to, pero ito. Ano na talaga siya guys, no? Malunggay na talaga siya guys. Ganito pala talaga yung malunggay, no? Mataas siya, oh. Parang mataas yung stem ba. So, kailangan lang siyang i-transfer. Oh, kunin natin. Nahulog na nga yung palang isa, oh. Kunin natin, ha. Hold lock. Ilagay natin dyan, oh. Ilagay muna natin dyan. Malapit na siyang mahinog, guys, oh. Kaluka. Dito, oh, hinog, oh. Ito, ginoo ko. Hinog na pala, guys. Look, hinog, oh. Hinog. Another hinog. And, alin ba? Look, another hinog. And then, wala ng bunga. Yan, ito hinog. Saka meron pa dito hinog alok. Masarap ito sa ano. Look. Diyan. Kunin na lang natin yung ano, string beans. Kasi marami na namang bunga. Look, meron pa dun sa kabila, oh, likuran. Hala, uy. May nag-ano talaga dito sa mga tomato ko, guys, oh. Ito yung tomato. Nakalimutan ko ano to. Ano to dito? Nakalimutan ko ba? Look, oh. May tumubo dito pero hindi ko kilala. Ito tomato yan. Alam ko yan. So, kuha tayo. Kunin na natin yung string beans kasi look. Maano lang siya. Masisira lang. Ito. Ay, nasira naman. May kumakain ng kigwa. Aray, mosquito. Kumakain sa agtang ko. Okay, doon tayo sa kabila. Kasi maraming bunga. Oh my goodness. Oh, stink bug. I hate stink bug. I hate stink bug. Look ito. Marami pa tayong harvest, no? Kahit September na. Malapit nang mag-October, guys. Oh my God. Ito, oh. Laki, oh. Ito din, oh. Kunin na natin ito, eh. Kasi masisira lang ito. Ito dito. Yan. Iwan ko, guys, itong string beans, guys. Masaya sila pag ulan. Diba? Dito, oh. Sa ilalim. Dito pa, oh. Masarap mag-ano. Diba? Ito talaga yung string beans, walang katapusan. Daming bunga. Maraming bunga. Bukas ito ba? Kay Tami. Lutuin para kay Tamimoy. Lagyan natin ito. Yun, diba? Guys, ang daming raspberry, guys. Oh, iwan ko, guys, kung anong gawin. Ay, ang dami, oh. Tignan nyo. Look, ang dami, oh. Doon, oh. Ano to, ha? Look. Ang daming bunga, oh. Look. Hindi ko alam. Oh, may kamatis palang hinog. Nagtatago si kamatis. Look. Tignan natin sa ilalim. Masarap sana yung kunin ba. Dito, oh, may string beans pa dito. Sa likuran, oh. Look, oh, diba? Ang lalaki. Dito, oh. Ito, sira naman yan. Grabe, guys, oh. Tignan nyo, oh. Ang dami, oh. Sila Brenda at Lloydie ba? Mas malayo na si Lloydie, guys. Hindi na natin madalhan pa ng mga anik-anik kasi sobrang layo na. Almost an hour driving. So, yun. Ako na lang dito mag-isa very soon. Kasi si Lloydie at si Brenda aalis na din. Very soon. Si Lloydie umalis na. O tapos na pala akong nag-cut ng grass kahapon. Ang saya ng feeling na nakakat mo na yung grass. Pero next week, nakakapagod na naman. Kalang kang 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 kang. Kalang kalang kang kang. Kalang kang kang. You are crazy. Okay. So, kunin lang natin itong madilim sa kwarto, guys. So, ito yung flower vase na dalhin natin. Okay. Diyan ka lang muna, ha?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Okay. Ito na naman. Try natin ito. Crystal ni Tamimoy.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Don't take a missing. So, ito guys, ito yung string beans natin this year na seedling. Yeah, nakagawa tayo ng seedling more sa string beans. At sa more seedling to itatanim. Diba? So, yan. That's how you do seedling, guys. Look. Seedling is ready. Look at this. Finally, guys, I wanna harvest more sa sa bulaklak natin. Look, ang gandang tignan ng yung mga flower, guys. Gusto ko sanang mag-harvest para i-display. But it's gonna be Tommy won't like it. But it's so pretty. Look at this, baby. Look. Here you go. Dada's favorite boy. That's it. And then somebody's coming. Oh, Roxy. Look at Roxy. Look at her. Look at her.
She already licked.
She already licked?
She licked Bob's face.
Okay. Oh my God, little boy. Oh my God, little boy.
You gonna let Roxy have a lick? You gonna let Roxy have a lick? No, go let Roxy have a lick. Wait. Let Roxy have one lick. Nope. I didn't say lick my face.
Poor little boy. Roxy have a big tongue. Look at that. Look at that. They're so cute. They're so cute. She said, thank you, hon. Roxy said, thank you. She kissed you. Guys, alam nyo guys, bakit guys, this is the only two that they get this. We try to give Misty. She doesn't like it. We try to give Dimples. They don't like it. So every time you see, Hubs and Roxy have these
Hubs loves
treats.
it.
Yeah, Hubs loves it. Oh my God, his favorite. I don't understand why Dimples doesn't like it, honey.
I don't think Dibble's just too unsocial to eat it this way.
Is that what it
Even when I
is?
put it in the dish, you don't really want it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Even we put in the dish, she doesn't like it. Misty, she ran away, guys. Oh my God. She's very picky. Look at this one, honey. It's wearing, honey.
Okay, you're done. We'll give you the rest to Rox.
Okay, can you give Roxy, honey? Enough with that. Enough with that. Enough with that.
Give Roxy a bit. Okay.
house. Oh my god. Oh my god, he bite. What's your finger, hon?
Yeah, he won't buy it. I guess he's good that
He
way.
did. No, he did mine. Remember?
That's it, little boy. That's all. Nothing left.
It's not done yet, he said.
You're gonna cut your tongue on that soon.
Hi guys, it is 7-Eleven. Ngayon, wala pa kaming kain-kain guys. Walang kain-kain. Alam niyo kung ano yung na-miss ko guys? Rice. Kasi kagabi pang walang rice. At gipamaulan yung kamay ko dito kasi sa box. Gipamaulan ko. Okay guys, kain lang kami guys. Kasi nagutom na ako guys.
You can have the stuff from yesterday with the rice. You don't have
No,
to have
but
the
I
pot.
need to eat the soup. Because the soup is gonna go bad. Anyway guys, Suli's gonna have a dinner. And nakapagtulog na ako.
So if you're not gonna have the yesterday food, I'm not gonna have the yesterday food and put it back.
So what do you want?
I'm gonna have the string meats.
And the string beans is not good.
It is good. You just don't know because you just say that.
Because I told
You
you
know,
so.
you told me. And did you check it? Did you taste it?
It's
Find
2
out.
weeks already.
Did you taste it? Find out.
It's 2 weeks.
I taste it and find out. At least I know what I'm talking
It's
about.
2
There
weeks
you go.
already.
Yeah,
Kaya
right.
ganito talaga siya guys. Kakain talaga siya ng mga sira na pagkain. Kaya later on, magkagano na siya. Hon, my
You
stomach
want to
is
say it, you
painful.
gotta know what you're talking about.
Magano na siya guys. Hon, my stomach is aching, honey. Ganyan yan siya. Mag-drama-drama. Drama-dramatically yung mga asawa ko. Gonna eat all my power to kami mo eh. You know why? You're not gonna do that. Anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog guys. Thank you guys so much. Pahinga lang kami guys kasi my shoulder is already aching. Anyway, huh?
How it goes.
Yeah, I know. But anyway, that's normal. But yeah, so I think this is because I went walk yesterday. I carry boxes today. So that's, you know, it's okay. It's only for maybe
There you go. Now it's
2
not
days.
rocks anymore.
Oh, you halahan, that's probably moldy too.
Nope, that's fine.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Come on. We're gonna end the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
guys.
We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys.